Hey everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe, and I'm excited for today's topic. It's something many English learners ask about, right, Riz?
Exactly. Let me ask you this, my friend. Have you ever tried to speak English but stopped because you were translating words in your head first?
Oh yes, that used to happen to me all the time. I would think in my language first, then try to say it in English, and by the time I finished, the conversation had already moved on.
Yes, that's so common. So if this happens to you, don't worry. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll talk about how to think in English instead of translating.
That sounds great. I think everyone learning English needs this.
Absolutely. So stay with us until the end because we'll share some real examples, fun practice ideas, and simple steps you can start using today. You'll also get a few repeat after me moments so you can practice as we go.
And remember, if you're enjoying this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you, Zoe. All right, let's get started. First, let's understand one thing. Translating in your head slows you down. When you try to change every word from your language to English, your brain gets tired. It's like running with heavy shoes.
That's true. I remember when I first started, my head felt full after 10 minutes of conversation.
Yes. So the goal is to make your brain think directly in English. That means when you see something, your first thought should be in English, not your native language.
That sounds simple, but how do we train our brain to do that?
Good question. We'll go step by step. Let's start with small daily actions. Step 1, surround yourself with English every day. Even a few minutes make a big difference.
You mean like listening to English songs or watching short videos?
Exactly. But the trick is, don't just listen. Try to think along in English. For example, if you hear, "the sun is shining," picture it and say to yourself, "Yes, the sun is shining." Don't translate. Just imagine it.
So it's like connecting English words with real images, not my native language.
Perfect, Zoe. You got it. When you connect English to pictures, sounds, or actions, your brain stops needing translation.
That's smart, and it sounds fun too.
It is. Here's another small exercise. Look around your room right now. See what's there. Maybe a chair, a window, your phone. Now name them in English, slowly.
Like this: chair, window, phone, table, light.
Good. And if you want to add a sentence, say simple things like, "This is my chair." "The window is open." "My phone is on the table." Now, listeners, your turn. Look around and say 5 things in English. Go ahead. I'll give you a few seconds. Great job. See how easy that was? This small habit helps your brain think naturally in English.
I like that. It's something we can all do anytime.
Exactly. Okay, step 2, stop trying to be perfect.
Oh, that's a big one for me. I always wanted every sentence to be correct.
I know, but when you try to be perfect, you block your thinking. Thinking in English means being okay with mistakes. Even native speakers make small mistakes. When you stop worrying, your thoughts flow faster.
So the goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Repeat after me, everyone. Communication first, perfection later.
Communication first, perfection later.
Nice. Remember that sentence. It's your freedom pass to think faster.
Freedom pass. I love that.
All right. Step 3. Learn with short English phrases, not single words.
Why phrases?
Because when you memorize phrases, you can speak faster and more naturally. If you only learn single words, you'll pause more while speaking. For example, instead of learning go, learn go to work, go home, go out. Then your brain already knows what comes next. No translation needed.
That makes sense. So if I learn phrases like, can I have, or I'd like to, I can use them quickly in real life.
Perfect. That's exactly the point. Your brain stores ready-made blocks, like Lego pieces. Then you just put them together when speaking.
I like that image. So more phrases, less stress.
Exactly. Now, let's do a quick practice. I'll say a phrase, and you repeat. Ready? Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Good. I'd like some water.
I'd like some water.
Great. Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Perfect. Now, if you keep repeating phrases like these every day, your brain will start to think in English without effort.
I can feel that already. It's easy to remember short, complete sentences.
Exactly. Step 4, talk to yourself in English.
Really? That sounds funny.
Yes, it feels strange at first, but it's powerful. Talking to yourself helps your brain think faster in English. When you wake up, say simple things like, "Good morning, I feel sleepy." When you cook, say, "I'm cutting vegetables." When you go out, say, "I'm walking to the bus stop."
So we describe what we're doing in English, like narrating our own day?
Yes, that's called self-talk. And it's one of the best ways to train your brain to think in English automatically.
I like that. And no one will laugh because no one can hear me.
Exactly. And if someone hears you, tell them you're practicing to become fluent. Now, step 5. Listen to slow English conversations and repeat.
Like our podcast.
Exactly. Our podcast is made for this. When you listen to slow, natural English, your brain gets used to the rhythm. When you repeat what you hear, you train your mouth and mind together. It's like muscle memory.
So it's not just listening, it's active listening.
Perfect word. Active listening. Repeat what you hear. Don't just understand. Copy the sounds, the tone, the feeling.
That's how children learn their first language.
Exactly. Children don't translate. They repeat what they hear until it becomes natural. You can do the same in English.
I like that idea. Learning like a child. Fun and without fear.
Yes, Zoe, that's the key. No fear. Now, let's test your quick thinking, Zoe. I'll ask short questions. You answer fast without translating, okay?
I'll try my best.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Toast and coffee.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 11.
Perfect. That's fast thinking. You didn't stop to translate.
You're right. I just answered without thinking in my language.
That's what we want. Listeners, try this too. Ask yourself simple questions in English and answer right away. What's my name? What day is it? How's the weather? Keep it short and quick.
That really helps with fluency.
It does. Now, let's talk about another secret. Thinking in English pictures.
What do you mean?
When you hear the word apple, don't see the word written. See the fruit in your mind. When you hear run, imagine someone running. Your brain learns faster through pictures than words. So every time you learn something new, imagine it.
That's cool. So for coffee, I should imagine a cup of coffee, not the word coffee written on a paper.
Exactly. That way, you'll remember faster and think directly in English.
That's a good memory trick.
Yes. Now, another quick tip. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, I did that once. At first, I got confused, but after a few days, I started learning so many new words.
Exactly. It's a small change, but very powerful. It helps you see English all day without effort.
So it becomes part of daily life, not just study time.
Right. The more English you see, the faster your brain adapts. Let's take a small recap before we move forward.
Good idea.
Okay. Step 1, surround yourself with English. Step 2, don't try to be perfect. Step 3, learn phrases, not single words. Step 4, talk to yourself in English. Step 5, listen and repeat with active practice. And remember to think in pictures, not translations.
I love that list. It's easy to follow.
That's the goal. Simple, daily habits make big changes. Now, let's imagine a small real-life situation to practice thinking in English. You're in a cafe. You want to order coffee. What do you think first?
In my head, I see the cafe, the counter, the menu. I think, I want coffee. Then I say, can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. You didn't translate. You saw the image and used English words directly. That's thinking in English. Now, let's try another one. You're walking outside and it starts raining. What do you think?
Oh, no, it's raining. I forgot my umbrella.
Great. No translation needed. That's the goal for every moment of your day.
This feels so natural when you practice it daily.
Exactly. And remember, listeners, your goal is not speed at first. It's comfort. The more comfortable you feel thinking in English, the faster you'll become.
I think this is my favorite episode so far. It's so useful.
I'm glad you think so, Zoe. And for our listeners, start small. Pick one tip today and do it for a week. Then add another. Small steps every day make big progress.
That's true. I used to translate a lot, but after a few weeks of listening and speaking daily, it started to change.
Exactly. And remember, thinking in English is a skill. It's not magic. You build it by using English every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Use the English you have right now.
That's very encouraging. I think our listeners will feel more confident now.
I hope so. And before we finish, let's practice one more time. I'll say something in English and you reply fast, okay?
Okay.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you doing after this podcast?
I'm going to cook dinner.
Nice. What's your favorite hobby?
Reading books.
Perfect. Quick and natural. That's how thinking in English feels.
This is fun. I think our listeners should try this game too.
Yes, try it every day. Ask yourself 3 simple questions and answer in English. You'll see results fast.
I believe that.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. I hope this helped you understand how to think in English without translating.
And remember, practice every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Exactly. Step by step, you'll start to think and speak naturally. If you liked today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It helps us grow and create more lessons for you.
And if you want us to cover a topic you're curious about, send us a message. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep thinking in English.
You can do it.
See you in the next episode of Riz English Channel.